In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Envato Subscription. By the end, you'll be set up with Envato elements so you can start downloading high-quality assets for your projects right away. First, open your web browser and go to elements.envato.com. This is the Envato Elements homepage where you can explore fonts, templates, stock video, music, and more. You can browse to get a feel for what's available, but to subscribe, you'll head to the pricing area. At the top of the page, click Pricing. On desktop, you'll see it in the main navigation. On mobile, tap the menu icon and then choose Pricing. This takes you to a page that lays out the different plan types so you can pick the one that fits your needs. You'll see options like Individual, Team, and Enterprise. Individual is designed for one person and is the simplest way to get started. Team adds multiple seats under one subscription so you can collaborate and manage licenses across your group. Enterprise is tailored for larger organizations and includes things like dedicated support and custom terms. Pricing can vary by region and billing cadence, so review the monthly cost, any taxes, and whether you're selecting a monthly or annual plan. Take a moment to check what each plan includes, especially if you need multiple seats or centralized billing. Once you've decided, click Start now on the plan you want. This brings you to checkout. If you already have an Envato account, sign in. If not, you'll be prompted to create one. Enter your checkout details carefully: name, billing address, and your preferred payment method. Common options include major credit or debit cards, and sometimes PayPal depending on your location. If you have a promo code, look for the field to apply it before paying. Ensure the billing address matches your payment method to avoid declines, and confirm the currency and tax are correct for your region. Before you finish, review the order summary. Double-check the plan type, the total including taxes, and the renewal terms. Envato subscriptions typically auto-renew, so note the renewal date and how to manage or cancel from your account if needed. It's also a good time to glance at the licensing model. Each download should be licensed to a specific project, which you can manage in your downloads or licenses area after purchase. When everything looks right, click Complete order, wait for the confirmation page to load, and keep an eye on your email for a receipt and onboarding details. From there, you can start exploring the library, licensing items for your projects, and, if you chose a team plan, invite teammates from your account settings. That's it. You've successfully purchased an Envato subscription and you're ready to create.